God, this one stink.
Ugh. Alright, welcome back to our channel. We about to try the Japanese food. Yes. Alright, we ain't about to waste no time. We just about to get right into it.
I'm just here to enjoy the food. I'm not here for that nonsense.
We're gonna try the don't touch that thing.
Yeah, that looks like sweet potato.
Something smells sweet.
Probably a jelly noodle.
Alright,
we're gonna try the individual stuff first.
Let's go around and I was about to say let's go around and let everyone choose one.
So you go first.
Alright, let's try these. Because we ain't gonna cut into nothing.
Alright.
Corn head pottage. Whatever.
Let me read it.
No, Kira, because you do too much.
Let me look at it and read it.
No, you can't understand
Let
this
me
language.
just look.
This is all English right
Like
here.
I said, I know.
Everything else, stop.
Are you sure?
Oh,
I'm the
Yes.
ingredients.
Yeah, I'm 100% positive.
I don't know. That's
Are any of y'all allergic to anything?
No.
Shellfish.
Girl, well,
Sweetie, you
we
need to
don't-
go.
Yeah, we
Because I
don't
can't
know.
see. This corn
Shellfish.
pottage, so it's just shellfish to be a corn pottage.
I don't
No.
think so.
I'm pretty sure she could try this.
You gonna
stuff.
die or what?
Nah.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh.
These things, don't eat it yet.
Oh.
Alright, let's
You
go.
just swallowed it, like. My actually pretty good.
It's
I like
sweet.
it.
I don't like the sweetness of it.
I don't kind of like
It has an
sweetness, but it's
aftertaste.
good.
It's like a cereal.
It was
Mine
like,
is like sweet
salty
corn.
or something.
I mean, I would eat it, but only once a month.
I knew exactly what cereal it tasted like before you said it tasted like cereal.
That corn stuff?
Yeah. The corn pop. Corn pop,
Alright,
yeah.
what y'all rating this?
6 out of 10.
I give it a 6 too. It's not that bad.
I give it a 5.
Alright, Juliana, pick one.
I
Pick
wish
one that
you
we all
would.
can eat like together.
This.
Okay, we have to cut it. Let me see. Alright, this one got no English on it.
Whatsoever.
Why are you on your phone?
I was taking a picture of the Chinese snacks.
That's
It's Japanese.
Of the Japanese snacks. Of the Asian snacks.
It's Japanese.
Japanese is Asian.
Alright, get your
It
one.
is.
Let me get the small one. You rat. You already touched it.
She didn't touch these two.
She done ate two.
It tastes like these both. But a little bit of like,
Nah, it tastes rotten.
It tastes like a Cheeto that's
I
don't
know.
sweet. Tastes
That
like a
is
Cheeto that's-
nasty.
No, that is not.
it's not bad. I'm
It's
rated like a
good.
5.
6.
Alright, you're
A
right.
3.
I rated
My
a 9.
drink.
3?
Yeah. I did not like that. I feel like I was eating rotten
Let's
cheese.
try something sweet.
Those.
Alright, this is Ching-chong-chong. What if I really said something?
That's not in the language, but okay.
Alright, I don't know what this is.
I want it. Let me get it.
Ah.
Oh, wait.
Alright, so here.
I was supposed to go first. I picked it out.
What is this?
It's
I don't.
gummy,
How I'm
gummy.
supposed to know?
If it's gum, I can't have it.
This is.
I
I don't think
Somebody
it's gum.
chew it and tell me if it's gum.
It's chewy, and I guess it could get stuck in your teeth.
It's not gum.
It's like
It's like a jelly bean.
It's like a.
It tastes like a jelly bean.
It's
It tastes
like
like
a
the
drop.
lemon jelly bean.
I don't know
Tastes
what
like a
flavor now,
drop.
but it
No,
tastes
it tastes like Fruit Loops.
I give it about an 8.
Oh,
It's
true.
good.
I'll
It
give
tastes
it-
like a Fruit Loop.
I give it a 9 because
Okay,
it tastes
Kira,
like
what
a
10 out of
Fruit Loop
10.
and a drop.
Yeah, I give it a 9, probably.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's just
Tastes
like,
like a Fruit
regular
Loop.
candy.
Okay,
Yum,
cute.
yum.
That's like a marshmallow.
Yeah, you want to try it?
Marshmallow
Look, whatever you touch is what we're gonna eat.
Okay. Sorry, I'm being extra. I just
Yeah,
wanna
you
look at
you
our-
always do this. Everybody be picking so easily, but you.
Let's just try the bread.
This?
Yep.
My hands are just going back down. And you don't know what this is. Talking about some of the bread.
Ooh, I should have chosen this one.
Yeah.
Leave it alone now. It's too late, sweetheart.
Why is that when you peasant?
What is it? Ew! You're rolling on the toes. You're rolling on the toes.
All right, let's try it.
know what?
I'm
It
gonna
tastes
lie,
like
I'm going
it tastes like red bean paste.
It's sweet.
it do taste like something I had before. I gotta taste again.
It's like
It tastes like
Damn.
It tastes like
your throat feel dry.
no. It tastes like red bean paste. It's good.
What the heck is red bean paste?
It's freaking sweet. That's all
I'm
it
like,
is.
can you have my water bottle?
How do you not know what that is? It's in
Cavities,
mochi.
cavities.
Alright, so it's my turn to pick again.
Here,
We're gonna go with this.
they gonna go with that.
Mochi.
There's no point. You already had a
Wait,
drink.
I
That's
don't know what
supposed
that
to be
is.
mine.
Anyways.
Red bean paste is inside of mochi.
Is it?
Yes. Well, most of them.
Yeah.
What the heck? Why do you say it like that? Ew.
It smells like iron.
Girl, I need to do all that. Okay.
No, it tastes like corn pops.
Give me that.
It
I'm
don't
gonna
taste
eat
bad, but
like
it
an
tastes
anime
kind of
girl.
burnt.
It tastes. Don't do that.
They're
That's how they
kind of
eat.
good, like the aftertaste.
Anime girls eat like that.
Well, don't be.
That's
I give it about an
a
8.
You're bad at it.
We're not rating it. We're not rating it.
5.
Okay.
Yeah,
Pick
fine.
one.
That was nasty. No,
There's
she
2
said
of
right
those.
there
Oh.
on her thigh. She was
Oh,
just
it
holding
is
this
2.
up.
Well, okay, we'll cut both of those in half.
Yeah, I was hoping that you were gonna try one of those. Beans.
I don't really gotta cut it. You just hold it now.
It's
All right,
wet.
Ryan.
Yeah, give it to me.
Okay.
My hands are very dirty.
That sound like snot. Alright, Kim.
I don't. Okay.
It's just like a lollipop.
No!
Okay, I'll split
It's
this
like
one in
alcoholic perfume or something. I don't
I
know.
don't want it.
It tastes like a lollipop
You
at
know?
first, but now I don't know. It tastes like it's weird.
I can't. I don't know.
Disgusting. Can you bring some drink? Don't you want?
Hey.
You want to try this by yourself?
Boo, boo, beep.
Not right now, but and y'all can pick your own individual candy
No,
that y'all
not
want to
really.
try. I want to try this.
I want to try the Coca-Cola, even though this is for everybody.
That's not everybody thing.
Wait,
Alright,
no.
Shariah, it's your turn to pick something.
I don't know how y'all swallowed that.
I'm glad you picked that because I wanted it. This says, don't open it yet.
Oh,
Dang,
well, I mean,
Mom.
I didn't open the wrappers thingy, blah.
Garou.
Don't put it over there. Or I guess you put all your
I'm
junk
gonna
over
throw it away
there.
afterwards.
This is called white cream wafers.
Wafers.
Don't open it, Shariah. Put it down. Put it down.
Sharia.
Why are you looking at me like that?
It was a
Alright,
mem.
so this is giving me a hard time. Okay, so it's 2 of these. Y'all crack that. Me and Shakira crack this one. Here.
It had creamy inside of it.
If y'all haven't tried these, I don't know what's wrong with y'all.
Wait, I'm not impressed.
It's good.
They're not bad. It got chocolate in the middle. I can't see it, but it's like a Kit Kat, low key.
1 out of
Sure,
1,000.
YOLO. Yeah, that's good. That's I give it like an 8 too.
That's a 1.
That
9.
as well.
That's a 1.
It's the fact that they
This
taste
is
like
called
that Nutella
Parfait
dip that you have.
I hate Nutella. That's a 1.
I don't like chocolate at all. Oh, it's just white chocolate.
That's nasty
Ooh,
too.
these like those
Pocky stick.
yeah.
Y'all don't know nothing about no Pockies.
Girl, shut up. You don't
I
know
did a
that.
Pocky challenge.
Why do you smell like this?
Wait, who?
I guess everybody get it.
It's pretty good.
You know how sour apple spray tastes?
It's pretty
That's
good.
not how this tastes.
It tastes like
And
the
how
apple.
it smells.
No, it tastes like the
That's
apple.
tastes how it smells.
It
don't smell like
smells like
nothing.
that. Yes, it does. It smells like the apple thingy.
Yeah, but
It
like that's what
literally
it tastes like. It
It
tastes
does
like
not.
the
The
smell.
The apple what? The one I'm talking about?
The apple spray.
Okay,
Like,
yeah.
it
From
tastes
tastes
It
like
kind
that.
of
It
tastes
tastes like
like
the
it,
smell.
but then it kind of tastes like that, and it also smells like it. But I mean, it's not that like.
It
it's
tastes.
not
It don't taste like
sour.
chocolate now. This was. This is
Nah.
false advertising.
I
What
rated.
is that?
I'll rate
This
it
is
a
brown.
6.
If it if it's supposed to taste like chocolate and it tastes like apple, nah, it don't
I
go
rate
together.
We don't know what
That's
it's
a
supposed to taste
6.
like. I'm just saying, it looked like it's supposed to be chocolate, but it's not. Okay, Shakira, you pick. Okay, me. I'm gonna pick this right here. No, where do? Yeah, we about to pick this.
Why are you stealing stuff?
I'm not stealing it.
I was eating the rest.
That they doing with that, like I was doing with them pretzels.
That's good, but it's just.
Why-
Those are
Why?
good.
Why did you say
Ha, ha,
pretzels?
ha, ha.
The
You are the
pretzels.
chosen one.
Pretzels.
Pretzels.
I'm struggling.
Chocolate chip cookie vanilla.
Ha! I don't like.
Melon, something. We just about to try it.
Country milk.
Here, I know you want this small piece.
Why would you eat
I
the
don't
ear?
want
It's
it
going to
that
be
bad.
tough now.
I ain't really like it that much.
You kind of
I should have got it that small. This
Thank you.
stink.
Y'all is tripping.
Nice.
It's good. It's good. I like that one. I give like a.
Ew.
That's a 10 right there.
Mm.
Well, it's a 9. I ain't gonna do a 10. You know, that's the best one yet.
Okay,
It'd
it
be
is pretty
bussin',
good.
bussin'.
I know.
Not really.
All right, Julie. This says mini cola. I feel like there's just some things that be at the store,
Honestly.
but
Oh, it's
we
like
about to
coconut.
see what's the difference.
Hey,
Shariah, Kira, can you get one from Shariah?
I
You
am.
probably
Get
even trying to
two.
eat from her hand.
Get you from
I am.
Soraya.
This is not trying to be no pill stuff.
It's not a drug. I mean, it could disguise it.
Wait, I got a question.
Owie!
If caffeine is kind of like a
You're
drug,
supposed to have this one.
doesn't that make cashiers drug dealers?
Sure, honey. Sugar you.
That's just pure nasty.
Fried potato.
Potato.
Yeah, this just tastes like a thing. I don't want to finish it.
But here.
Anyway, it's fried potato.
Damn.
I thought I tried it before, but I don't
I
really
hate mint. I just wanted to tell y'all that.
It's not even sizzling,
These
but I want it.
stink.
They stink.
But they might taste good.
Delicious.
What the freak?
It tastes like chlorine. I mean,
Look
Can
at
you
that.
grab one?
It tastes like seawater. I don't like it.
Here, don't be shy. Just,
No.
Just take a bite. Ew! It tastes like soap.
Tastes like seawater.
It smelled like dishwater when I opened it. I was like, this smell like.
I ain't
It tastes
do
like
that
soap.
Tastes like seawater.
All right, Shakira, we
Ew.
back to you.
I don't like that. It's not good for me.
That's all.
Well, you need something good. You need something good. All
If
right.
it's not good,
Moshi, moshi.
Right, you get your piece. I'm gonna get my piece and they can touch the other
It
ones.
has a hole in it.
Get that out of my face.
But it
I will.
does.
Y'all split this.
I get the bottom piece because that's the best.
Tastes like a regular marshmallow.
It tastes like that unicorn food that be at the Dollar Tree.
Ew, you eat unicorn food?
It's the same thing as marshmallows, colored marshmallows.
We're gonna do this. It says chocolate chip cookie vanilla.
that doesn't say chocolate.
Oh. How you know?
Because I read it. It say choco chip. And if you would have said chocolate when I read that, they would have been like, why she say choco instead of chocolate?
Oh, wow, because it's such a difference.
Yeah, make sure it's not a grammar
We
error.
can turn the lights on.
I don't know how did. Why you was looking at me like you was waiting for me to mess up on that?
This is because I thought I messed up on it.
This
She
cookie
does
was
not.
good.
Don't cut your fingers.
I think that I like you.
You said what?
Don't cut
It
her
was
fingers.
Something bugs me about the way you lick your envelope so
You be trying to pick the best part.
I be trying to pick the littlest piece.
tastes like a little cookie.
Yeah, it tastes good.
It tastes worse than my
That's a
grandma's
small
cookies.
piece.
My grandma doesn't make any
Oh, we
cookies.
haven't been rating crud.
It's a regular cookie, so
Yeah. Honestly, 10 out of 10.
I hate cookies, so
You're
0 out of
weird.
10.
You're weird. You're very weird.
9.
Oh, me turn.
8.
Mochi,
Home
mochi.
Kajaya
Get smacked.
home pie.
I
Alright,
think
so
I
y'all
know.
split
Mojo
this
likes
one.
you.
I think Mojo
Hopefully no
likes
coconut in here, because this looks coconut.
Mojo, 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 mojo.
It tastes like a roasted marshmallow.
You thought you were finna eat it all.
You little rodent. I don't want that from your bent thumb.
It tastes like a sugar cookie.
Ah,
I can't take none of them. Yeah, taste like a cookie. Good. 8.
ew.
7.
Tastes like.
Like a 4.
I still taste that corn chip.
You didn't have to do all that now with a 4.
It's
It was not that bad.
It's a 4. Exactly.
Who choose? Oh, it's your turn.
Hey.
Why are you doing the move?
Huh.
Which one did
I
you
was trying
choose?
to snatch it. I was all like, yeah, this one.
You're an idiot. You're an idiot.
It's okay, Susan.
Hey, so don't call me Susan. My name is Shariah.
It's okay, Susan. It's okay,
Ooh,
sure.
Y'all can split that, and
Do I
we're
look
going to
like
do the
a
strawberry
Susan to
one.
you?
Why the...
Girl, eat it. Eating shit up. Kira, you be trying to get all the pieces.
I couldn't break it. Okay? It tastes like those peach rings. Give me. Why?
Because you bit it. You could have used the freaking knife.
Did you
That's
taste
why
it?
I nibbled it, yeah.
Hey, that actually was good.
It tastes like
It
those
was.
peach rings.
But then at the same time, it tastes like soda. I
Okay,
hate
your turn.
soda.
I
You can
have
cut this like
to...
soda.
Like a peach and knee high.
All of
Get
them.
away.
Okay, Shakira, come on, let's hurry up.
Julie.
Okay,
You've
look.
been struggling this whole time.
Okay.
Ask your mama if you could, like, stay here and then mama can pick you
You
up.
don't even know if your mama is fine
Here.
today.
One.
I know, but I'm
What?
saying.
What?
Still tastes like soda. I don't like these things. They melt in my mouth and it tastes like some type of
Nah,
like.
it's the powdery substance. I hate that.
Me, I don't like it either.
Ugh.
It's nasty. It's like a mama bird feeding you her nasty,
Why do you look like
gooey,
Shiny
nasty
doing that?
moo. I don't like it.
I'm gonna throw up.
I don't even
She
know what
gonna
that
throw up.
was. I don't even know what that was,
You
honestly.
gonna throw up?
I'm sorry. I don't know what that was.
That was.
I don't like it.
Like, I couldn't even react to it. I didn't even taste it.
I'm gonna get another one.
Y'all split y'all cookie.
Oh my gosh, I'm
All
gonna
these
eat
crumbs on my bed.
because if I eat too much like cookie nastiness stuff, no,
Why?
I don't like
It is a Pandero brand butter cookie.
it. I don't
Alright,
like
I'm about to
it
stop picking
either.
Alright, so I don't know what this is. Oh,
I
I'm gonna
wanted
just
to
stop because
see
y'all
what
can't
it
listen to me.
I can still taste those
Oh,
corn
looky,
chips.
looky.
Why?
Ew. Wait a minute.
You're supposed.
Sweet ass sweet.
I get the top cookie. You can have the cream.
Tastes good.
Man,
Why
that
are
is
those
It
good.
tastes like
staring at
milk.
me?
That wasn't bad before though.
0.
Like a lemon cookie.
Oh, you ate it.
I don't like lemon anything. Like cookies. I don't like.
Ew.
It's alright, I guess.
What the world is this?
Let me try. Let me try.
It's
let
a
me try.
banana.
It's a banana marshmallow.
Can you like rip it?
Whip it.
Whip it up in the kitchen.
Wait.
It's like
Ew,
chocolate or
Christmas.
something.
It's a banana cream. Not
Alright.
cream, but
Sorry, y'all split that.
Do you expect me to eat it? I'll take a nibble.
oh,
It's not bad.
I'm done.
it tastes like banana ice cream.
Tastes like a moon pie. It's just nasty.
I hate them pies.
What kind of good? This is another cookie. Your own cookie.
No. I'm sick of cookies.
Alright, we're gonna try this. Don't know
I'm
what it is.
supposed to eat cookies like that.
It's basically the same. Oh, it look. Why it look like Dookie?
If I
It's
can
the
remember
same thing
correctly,
like these
I don't
mama
think this one gonna be
thingies.
good. I got crumbles.
Hey, it smells like salt and vinegar.
It do.
It's pretty good actually.
Wait a minute, it's like in my steak sauce.
It's like
Why'd
A1
you say
steak
that?
sauce.
You're like,
Eat it.
ah.
Yeah, eat it.
It's good. Why you bite it? You were supposed to use your teeth. That's why
I hate it.
Why did you bite it?
It tastes like mashed potato.
It was not bad, but she
Like
wasted
steak.
it.
Huh?
You like steak?
It tastes like something that's actually good.
Don't
You can
eat
have
it
it
now,
raw.
cause she
I
I'm not
like taking
gonna
the
eat
first
it, but,
bite
like-
because I don't have to take it after you.
All right.
Be quiet.
Dang, I
Well,
wish I knew what this was called.
Wait.
You will order it.
Okay, I don't like it. You can have the whole
This
thing.
thing.
Yeah, this one stinks.
Look, I'm gonna nibble on this one. Ugh.
My bad. Just wipe
Get
it
that
off.
peasant's food away from me.
Hey, I actually like this.
Here, you a whole nasty
Nah, it
girl.
tastes like
This tastes
noodles.
like that dang squid that Marshall had us try.
Did you bite that?
No, I just tore it a piece.
Just turned it.
Tore it apart. Be quiet.
Yeah.
Grammar issue.
Sharaya, sit down.
No, but there's like teeny.
I'm not doing this video with y'all
Teeny
ever
pieces.
again.
No,
Okay.
it's just teeny.
Damn, I actually like this
And
little
plus this
thingy.
video-
Sure, shut up. No, the heck you don't.
It's not fun.
And
this
y'all,
video is
these
supposed
things are serving.
No, they're
That's
not.
nasty.
They're
That is
not
nasty.
serving. You might have a seizure.
I already tried it. It's pretty good.
Okay, not that
You
one.
want it?
Not that
No.
one. That one tastes like mustard.
Why don't you want
Because
it?
it's not that good.
No, it tastes worse than mustard. We need something good.
Ranch.
You're just making a mess on my bed with them crumbs.
Sorry to tell you.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
You tried it already?
It tastes like the
I'm not
butcher's
trying
shell.
it.
Girl, try it. Try that small one.
It tastes like the smell of butts.
Tastes like sour cream and onion chip, a little crispy, a little burnt.
Hey, I want this one too. Hey, what happened to my thing? Is it this one?
Why? I like this one.
Pick the
There's
flower.
crumbs on my bed is
Pick the
insane.
flower.
This is definitely not the
You
one me
know
and
that
Brennan
song?
had.
You know that song?
What?
Pick the flower.
Uh-uh.
Oh, you don't?
It tastes like expired barbecue sauce.
Low key. This one say
You just a baby. You clean up your mess.
it's not her fault. This junk crispy. I mean, crispin.
Why do I like these?
Here, you liking the nasty ones. That's saying something.
You're weird, sweetie.
Like, these are good. Like, I want them.
But I'm weirder.
Okay, I already know I don't like this.
It's not bad.
Tastes like
It's sweet, no flavor.
I don't want it. Did you not hear me
It's opening these
whisper?
things.
Alright, somebody tried one of these.
Here, please.
Hey, wait.
Which one do you want?
Ooh, this corn.
one.
Yeah, no, that one is
Shallow.
corn.
Are you?
I don't want to try this. Somebody try that.
Oh no.
This all going
What if this is wasabi?
If it's wasabi, let me try it out.
You saw me all night. You believe and dance with me.
Shush. I hate that
Don't
song.
be laughing but trying all night. You
Don't you be
shaking
copyrighting?
Real nice.
I can't open it.
Can I
Look,
get
I don't know
one
what this
last
is, but it
dance?
says gummy
What?
something.
I want to try it out.
No.
Can I get one last
You
dance?
can have this. I
And
don't
then it
want
goes
it.
like,
What?
Kira need to try
I'm leaving.
that.
No, she gave it to me. I was giving it to you so we could
Everybody
try it.
try at least
I
one
didn't want
thing.
to try it.
Why?
I just don't want to.
Do it,
Try
bro.
this
Be
one.
a sport. She put her mouth all over that rapper, so don't
Not
do
all, not all over.
I'm trying to pop it out. Who's your hair?
Oh. Somebody
It
talking
tastes
like
like-
Ghost House.
you know
Her
what
name
are
is
those
Mr. Wanda.
strawberry thingies?
Cut it.
Look good.
Eat
Don't be
It
flexing
smells
my
good.
face.
Not
It's like
strawberries.
soda.
Eat it.
I hate soda.
Sweethearts.
How did you open that?
Because I'm a ninja. Now
That
I use my
was
mouth,
bussin'.
sweetheart.
Alright, come on so I can watch
Using
my
your mouth
show.
is much easier, like
Where did the Bible?
easier.
The Japanese food was better than the Mexican and the Mexican because
And
the Turkish
the-
one was good.
This one was way better. Because I'm finna
She
tear that
had
thing
like
up.
she had more stuff that she liked in this
This
one.
one was better.
Yeah. But anyways, alright, thank you guys for watching. See you
See you
next video.
later.